Think your woodworking skills are already next level? Well, you haven't seen these game-changing tools yet. These tools will make your work so much faster and easier. You won't believe how you managed without them. All the tool links are in the description. And if you love woodworking, make sure to subscribe now, because even more mind-blowing tools are coming your way. Let's check out the first tool. Meet the Oscal Display Veneer Edge Banding Sealing Iron. A must-have for every woodworking setup. Designed for precision and comfort, this tool gives you full temperature control from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, shown clearly on the LCD screen. With just a touch, you can switch between degree C and degree F for easy use. The ergonomic handle and special tips make sealing fillets, curves, and tight corners effortless. Plus, the cotton sock keeps your surfaces protected and scratch-free. Whether you're applying edge banding or fine-tuning details, this sealing iron helps you get smooth, professional results every time. Looking for strong, precise joints in your woodworking projects? The Milescraft 1334 Joint Master makes doweling fast, easy, and perfectly accurate. Its all-aluminum body won't flex or bend, giving you consistent results every time. Create edge, corner, or surface joints using 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, or 3/8 inch dowel pins with total confidence. The retractable edge stops automatically align your boards for perfect positioning, while hardened steel bushings ensure precise, long-lasting drilling. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or frames, this self-clamping jig keeps everything tight and square. Simple to use, tough to beat. It's doweling made easy for every woodworker. Tired of rough, uneven corners? The Grizzly Industrial G1690 miter trimmer gives you flawless, glass-smooth cuts every single time. Built with a solid cast iron body and razor-sharp high-carbon steel blades, this tool delivers unmatched precision for picture frames, door frames, molding, and detailed trim work. With two preset angles at 45 degrees and 90 degrees, setup is quick and effortless. Just trim and go. It's built tough, cuts clean, and feels incredibly smooth in use. Whether you're a pro or hobbyist, the G1690 turns every cut into a perfect finish you'll be proud to show off. Here's a smart tool for anyone who loves precision joinery: the Oscal Dowel Maker and Tenon Cutter. It works with both softwoods and hardwoods, turning 1/2 inch square stock into clean, accurate dowels in seconds. Powered by an electric drill, it includes two cutter heads, 8 mm and 10 mm, perfect for 5/16 inch and 3/8 inch dowels after light sanding. The durable carbon steel blades stay sharp and can easily be resharpened when needed. With a heat-resistant base and flexible mounting options, it's safe, strong, and simple to use. Create perfect dowels anytime, fast, accurate, and hassle-free. If you're serious about perfect joints, the Festool Domino Joiner DF500Q set is a total game-changer. Its patented cutting action both rotates and oscillates, giving you clean, accurate mortises every single time. With adjustable mortise width and a simple dial control, aligning panels has never been easier. The pivoting fence lets you cut precise angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, with built-in stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 67.5 degrees. Plus, indexing pins make edge alignment fast and foolproof. Compact, powerful, and incredibly precise. The DF500 delivers pro-level joinery that saves time and raises your woodworking quality instantly. Here's a complete hand tool set every woodworker will love: the adjustable Spokeshave Set with 2 Spokeshaves for metal blades and a 4-way wood rasp file. Built with durable SK2 steel, the blades are heat-treated for long-lasting sharpness and precision cutting. The ergonomic handles feel comfortable and balanced, while the double-screw design lets you fine-tune your cutting depth with ease. The 4-in-1 wood rasp file adds extra versatility for shaping, smoothing, and refining curved or detailed work. Whether you're carving, trimming, or planing wood, this set delivers control, accuracy, and professional quality results on every project. Say goodbye to stubborn nails with the WORKPRO 13-inch nail puller. This versatile tool combines a cat's paw and rocking nail puller with a 13-inch I-beam handle for maximum leverage, making nail removal effortless. Its pointed tip digs into wood precisely, minimizing damage, while the rocking head grabs nails for smooth extraction, even headless or embedded nails. Made from high-quality steel with an anti-rust black coating, it's built to last. Perfect for carpentry, home remodeling, demolition, or woodworking projects. This nail puller saves time, protects your surfaces, and gives you the strength and control every DIYer and professional needs. Precision starts with the right tools, and the Preciva 12-inch Woodworking Square Ruler delivers exactly that. With 1/16 notch spacing and extra fine 1/32 notches in the middle, it ensures highly accurate measurements. Quickly mark 10 commonly used angles with the built-in scribing needle, perfect for carpentry, construction, or DIY projects. The retractable metal ledge stabilizes the ruler for clean, precise lines, while the laser-calibrated stainless steel blade resists scratches for long-lasting accuracy. Compact and easy to store with its hanging hole, this square ruler is a must-have for any woodworker looking for precision, speed, and reliability. The Milescraft 8403 laminate trimmer makes trimming laminate fast, precise, and effortless. Using a standard razor blade, replacements are quick and affordable, keeping your workflow smooth. Its ergonomic design gives you full control, letting you trim both straight and curved edges with confidence. Whether you're finishing cabinets, countertops, or furniture pieces, this tool helps you achieve clean, professional Streamline your cabinet projects with this 2-in-1 shelf pin and hinge jig. Crafted from sturdy aluminum alloy, it combines precise shelf pin drilling and concealed hinge installation in a single tool. Drill 7 straight holes at once with 1/4 or 5mm bits, and choose from multiple edge distances for perfect alignment every time. The hinge template fits most standard concealed hinges, making cabinet door installation quick and accurate. Ideal for DIYers, carpenters, and cabinet makers, this all-in-one jig saves time, reduces errors, and ensures professional quality results. Even beginners can drill precise holes like a pro with ease. Level slabs and panels like a pro with this 1/2 Shank slab flattening router bit. With a 2 3/8 cutting diameter and high-quality C2 carbide inserts, it delivers precise, clean, and repeatable cuts every time. The tungsten steel body ensures durability and sharp edges while allowing efficient chip evacuation for smooth operation. Replaceable cutters extend the tool's life, saving you money while keeping performance consistent. Perfect for solid wood, MDF, plywood, laminates, and more, it works with CNC routers, router lifts, and router sleds. Achieve flat, professional surfaces quickly, whether prepping live-edge slabs or architectural panels. Create perfect lines and curves with the woodworking wheel marking gauge. Designed for both straight and arc scribing, it's ideal for dovetails, joinery, and precise curve layouts. The dual metric and inch scales give accurate measurements for any project, whether professional or DIY. Built from CNC machined aluminum alloy with a hardened steel wheel cutter, it's durable, sharp, and smooth for long-lasting performance. The micro-adjust knob allows fine-tuning of cutting depth and marking distance for exact precision. Compact and versatile, this tool is perfect for cabinet making, furniture design, carpentry, and on-site woodworking projects, giving you control and accuracy every time. Take your woodworking to the next level with the Origlam 10-piece professional wood carving chisel set. Each tool is made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel for sharpness, strength, and long-lasting performance. The ergonomic wooden handles offer a smooth, comfortable grip, no blisters, even during long carving sessions. Perfect for beginners or hobbyists, this set includes everything you need to shape, carve, and detail your next project with precision. Whether you're creating furniture, crafts, or custom wood art, Origlam chisels deliver accuracy and control every time. Durable, reliable, and satisfaction guaranteed. Your perfect wood carving companion. Looking for the strongest glue for your woodworking projects? This professional-grade wood glue delivers a powerful, long-lasting bond for all your wood repairs and builds. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it's completely waterproof, making it perfect for furniture, baseboards, cabinets, doors, and even outdoor crafts. The easy-apply precision tip ensures a clean, mess-free experience, while the clear drying formula keeps your work looking flawless. Safe, non-toxic, and fast drying. This glue is built for DIYers and pros alike. Whether you're fixing or creating, trust this heavy-duty wood glue to hold strong every single time. Meet the Neitra Small Square Ruler, the ultimate compact tool for precision woodworking. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with laser-etched markings, this mini square delivers professional accuracy every time. It features 1/16-inch marking holes, 5 preset angles, and a fixed angle pin for flawless angle drawing from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The CNC anodized orange finish ensures durability and visibility in any workspace. With its portable 3.5-inch size, it fits right in your pocket, perfect for quick measurements and marking tasks. Complete with a mechanical pencil, this small but mighty tool keeps your woodworking accurate and effortless. Speed, power, and control. With triple hammer technology, it delivers up to 1,859 Nm of torque and 4,000 BPM, crushing heavy-duty jobs with ease. Choose from 5 speed modes, including bolt mode for tightening and loosening large bolts efficiently. Designed for pros, it's compact and lightweight at just 4.5 inches long and 2 pounds. The triple LED lights brighten any workspace, while the 2.0 lithium-ion batteries offer longer runtime. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this tool defines Japanese-engineered reliability and performance. Meet the Preciva digital T-Bevel gauge and protractor, your all-in-one solution for precise angle measurement in woodworking, metalworking, and construction. Measure from 0 degrees to 338 degrees with plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and dual scales. No conversion needed. The large LCD display ensures clear readings, while horizontal and vertical bubbles guarantee perfect leveling. With 3 easy buttons, lock, zero, and switch, you'll operate it effortlessly. The center knob locks your angle for accurate tracing or quick 45-degree setups. Plus, it features an auto power-off to save battery life. Durable, digital, and dependable, the Preciva T-Bevel gauge brings pro-level accuracy to every project. Meet the Franklin Sensors ProSensor M150, the most accurate stud finder ever made, proudly made in the USA. With 9 built-in sensors, it delivers unmatched precision, detecting wood and metal studs instantly. Forget calibration, just press, scan, and see the full stud, double studs, or irregular framing light up with clear LED indicators. Its deep detection reaches up to 1.5 inches through drywall with ease. Plus, built-in live wire detection keeps you safe while drilling. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, this tool redefines efficiency for DIYers and pros alike. Fast, reliable, and smart, Franklin Sensors gets it right every time. Introducing the Aero PT 50 oil-free pneumatic staple gun. Built for speed, power, and precision. Perfect for wood, upholstery, carpet, roofing, and fencing. This heavy-duty tool tackles big projects with ease. Its lightweight, rubber grip design ensures comfort and control, while the bump fire mode delivers rapid stapling for maximum efficiency. No oil needed, it's maintenance-free and features a dual safety trigger to prevent misfires. Compatible with Aero T50 staples and air compressors up to 100 psi, the PT50 is your go-to stapler for professional results. Fast, reliable, built to last, the Aero PT50 means business. Meet the PREXISO 3-in-1 multi-surface laser level, your all-in-one tool for woodworking, framing, and home renovation. It combines a digital level, angle gauge, and laser line in one compact device. With 0.1 degrees accuracy, 360 degrees measurement range, and auto-reversible backlit display, you get perfect alignment every time. The strong magnetic base ensures stability, while the bonus wall mount base frees your hands for marking. Switch easily between absolute and relative modes, measure in 4 units, and trust its factory calibration for lasting precision. PREXISO, the ultimate smart tool for pros and DIYers alike.